Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to add page number to your Word document. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have opened up your Word file, head over to insert section, and under the section header and footer you can see an option page number. Click on the drop down box and it will show you the options of giving page number on top of page or bottom of page, and I'm currently using top of page and my type will be this one. So once I have clicked it, my page number is added, and once I get 2 more pages, the page number will eventually increase. So if I want to select my page number or format my page number to start from a different number, so I can select it. Suppose I want it 2, and so start at 2 and select it, click on OK, and my page number will be started from 2. And yeah, this is how you can do it. And if you want to close this header and footer section, all you have to do is go close header and footer and it will be done. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.